Hello, and welcome to the photographic darkroom located on the basement level of D Block. We now have new measures and protocols in place so that staff and students can continue to work safely in our shared working areas. P2 or cloth masks are not mandatory, but we recommend that you wear one. As you can see here, this poster shows the room capacity for the darkroom, which is 13 people. So when you go in, please make sure the room is not already at capacity. There are 2 doors for the darkroom, one for entry and one for exit. Before you come down here, it's important that you visit the 4D Hub located on level 1 of D Block to get gloves, safety goggles or a face shield, a lab gown if you don't already have one, and isopropyl wipes so that you can wipe down your enlarger. You can also collect any other gear you might need, such as a sheet of glass, easels, or contrast filters. These sensors here are how we're conducting contact tracing, so please swipe your card before you go in, even if your card gets rejected. When working in the darkroom, you should be wearing gloves and goggles, especially when using the chemistry. If you do need to remove your gloves at any point, we ask that you use the hand sanitizer stationed at the entry and exit points of the room. There are 11 active enlargers indicated by floor markings. If you need to use the chemistry at the sink, you can do so while standing within this line here. Make sure you're at least 1.5 meters distance from anyone beside you, and you must not be directly opposite anyone on the other side of the sink. To use the wash bath, approach it from the right side, around this way. If you need to use a tray to ferry your print over to the wash bath, you're welcome to do so. The wash bath is only to be used one person at a time, standing on the floor marker here. If you need to use the print dryer or hand dryer, you can do so, again, one person at a time over here. And if you need to collect prints from the drying racks, we have 2 drying racks, also to be used one person at a time. Similarly, if you want to collect prints or anything else from the cubbies, you can do so one person at a time while standing within this line. Before you leave the darkroom, use the isopropyl wipe given to you by the 4D Hub to wipe down any parts of your enlarger that you've touched. I'll do a demonstration to show you how that works. Using your isopropyl wipe down every part of the enlarger and timer that you have touched. Make sure you get each button of the timer, as well as the dial. Move on to the height adjuster on the enlarger and the negative carrier. Then get the negative carrier lever and the focusing knob. Then gently wipe just around the ring of the lens, being careful not to touch the glass. Then grab a disinfecting wipe from the wall-mounted dispenser here and use it to wipe down your bench top in your work area. When you're done, you can discard the wipe in the black bin over here, and when you're ready to leave the darkroom, do so via this exit on this side. Please remember to be conscientious with your peers as they use the space. Always maintain 1.5 meters physical distance. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you.